Hi everyone, it's Jeanette from Jewelry by Jeanette, and I am so excited. I've just received the Bargain Bead Box November kit called Boughs and Berries, the Boughs and Berries collection, and I'm going to unbox it for you, unpackage it for you right now. And welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for all my subscribers, and thank you for joining me today. So before I unpack this for you, I will admit I cheated a little bit. I did open it and look through everything. I just couldn't stand it. I couldn't wait, and I think you're going to love it as much as I do. So if you want to subscribe to the Bargain Bead Box, you can go to their website, bargainbeadbox.com, but you can also use the link that's in the description at the bottom of this video, and you can also put in my code to get $2 off your first kit. I get a small affiliate commission, but it doesn't cost you anything, and in fact, you'll save $2 off your first kit. So my code is, and it's all in capital letters, Jeanette, Jeanette 21, Jeanette 21, and I will have all of that in the description box below the video as well. Thanks so much for supporting my channel and my small business. So here we go, everybody. And you do receive a list of everything that's in the kit when you receive it. So it comes in this really lovely organza bag. And oh my gosh, there are, let me see, 22 items in this kit. And it has a retail value of $97.78. And if you subscribe, you pay only $22. And I think it's free shipping as well. So it's a really good deal. So here we go. So first we have 6mm matte glass round beads in Holly Berry. And this is a 14-inch strand. Retail value $2.99. So these are matte. These are so pretty. I just love the matte finish on these. Lovely. And I might as well grab these guys here. These are so cute. Rhinestone, 10mm rhinestone round beads in garnet red, $2.99 retail value. And you get 6 pieces. And I am going to be using these in a project. So I have ideas for this one. And I'll show you in a minute what I'm going to do with those. Okay, next, I'm going to save the findings for last. Okay, so we've got 2-piece 10mm lamp work glass round beads in evergreen. $2.99 retail. Sorry about the motorcycle there. These are just gorgeous. And next, we've got a 30mm moss agate donut pendant, $4.99 retail. Isn't that lovely? So pretty. It looks so much like jade. I really like that. 8.5 by 8mm crystal faceted barrel beads, frosted mint green AB, 11 inches, $7.99. Oh, I just love the AB finish on these. So pretty. And different. I don't have a lot of barrel beads. Next are the 6mm tree agate matte round beads, 15-inch strand, $5.99. I love the marbling. I love that light green and the dark green color. Really, really pretty. Everything goes so well together in these kits. These are 6mm green tiger's eye, dyed and heated round beads, 7-inch strand, $6.99. I really love the dyed tiger's eye. I actually like it better than the natural tiger's eye. Look how gorgeous. Wow. And you have that luster on them and that finish that makes them almost look magical. Gorgeous. I'm just trying to do all the beads first. So these are 4mm red jasper, faceted round, 7.5 inches, $6.99 retail. Very cute. Really cute. Love the faceting on those. And these are the big ones. These are, they say 8mm. They look a little bigger, but they probably are 8mm moss agate round, 15 inches, $6.99. Oh, lovely. I love the lights and the darks. Those greens are gorgeous. And, you know, I never used to be a really big green fan, but I'm starting to like green more and more. These, oh, wait, I'm going to tell you what I'm doing with these. 10mm moonstone glass, man-made moonstone, frosted round, 7 inches, $4.99 retail. So these are like what I've seen called mermaid glass or mermaid beads. They have, I really hope the camera is picking up just that glow, that it almost looks like there's a light inside these. So, so gorgeous. And what I'm planning is to make a bracelet using these with the red rhinestone beads here. So we'll see. I might make a video very soon and make something with those. And then we have something I really have not seen much of. 4.5 by 5mm crystal faceted triangle beads in light vitriol, which is an iridescent finish. This is a 10-inch strand with a $4.99 retail, and I don't think you can miss that sparkle. So these are just stunning. And I'm going to try to get these up close for you. I hope the camera doesn't blur, but I want you to just see how spectacular the sparkle is on these. So beautiful. Have I said beautiful enough? I don't know. So these are all, I think those are all of the beads and the gemstones. Oh, let me show you the pendant. So we got a 28 by 18mm moss agate kite pendant with a retail value of $3.99. Lovely, gorgeous. It's already on a head pin with, actually, is it a head pin? Might not even be. Nope. They actually just created a looped bail for you right there, for us right there. Really lovely. And I think now we are, yes, oh wait, more beads. 4 by 3mm crystal faceted rondelles in crystal AB. 16-inch strand, $3.99 retail. And you see a very similar finish to both the barrel beads and also these, what I call the mermaid beads right here. So can you see that iridescence? showing through. Very dainty and delicate. Love those too. And now we have some of the findings and some of the metal beads. So I'll just take them in random order. This is some chain. We have 1 millimeter of 3.5 by 2.5 millimeter stainless steel. They're calling it knurled with a K, knurled oval chain, $4.99. I had to look up what knurled meant. I was an English teacher and I did not know the word knurled. So a knurled is a texture. I don't know if you can see the texture. It's like little lines that are on the links. So 1 meter of this. Here we go. So it's a nice long piece of chain. I can never get enough chain. I don't know about you. I love chain. And I think, yeah, stainless steel. Stainless steel will not rust or tarnish. And I think it looks almost as gorgeous as sterling silver. It's certainly easier to care for. We've got 10 pieces of 14 by 12 millimeter holly leaf charms, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, $1.99. And on your sheet with all of the items, they do explain what all of the symbols and abbreviations mean. So that's how I knew what everything meant here. So we have, what did I say? 10 pieces. Yes, 10 pieces. Let me hold one up close so that you can see. So cute. Adorable. We have a 22 millimeter stainless steel wreath focal link, $3.99. And this will look beautiful on a necklace. Actually, I'm also thinking that you can use this as a really big toggle. So if you wanted to make a toggle out of wire, this would be really gorgeous. Maybe even as a link on a necklace as well. So it doesn't have to be a pendant. Loving that. And these are 7 by 5 millimeter mini cone bead caps, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, 20 pieces, $2.99 retail. I get them all, yep. These are so cute. They look like little bells. Or if you turn them this way, you could even use these as flower beads. So I might even use these. You put them on a head pin and then maybe put a little bead, a little round bead inside. I'm trying to show you the inside. A little tiny round bead inside. They look like flowers. So versatile as well as adorable. Here are some toggles. 3 sets of 17 by 15 millimeter wreath toggle clasps, lead-free and cadmium-free, $1.99 retail. So these are very, very similar to the pendant. So they match really nicely. And I'm hoping everything is still in the camera frame here. These, I actually thought these were antlers when I saw them, reindeer antlers, but they're not, but they're still really pretty. They are mistletoe branch, 4 pieces, 38 by 17 millimeter, and they're links. They are also lead-free and cadmium-free, $2.99 retail. That is just one link. I mean, how beautiful is that? I could even see that as a pendant, you know, if you put some chain or beading and have that hanging from a necklace. That's so pretty for the holidays. Oh, there's a Henry hair. And continuing with the leaf motif here, we've got an evergreen pendant in stainless steel, 34 by 21 millimeters, $5.99 retail. Lovely. And yes, it's double-sided actually, so it really won't matter which way the pendant is facing when it's on your necklace. I really like this one too. This is another pendant, 24 by 10 millimeters, stainless steel pine tree oval pendant, $2.99. This is an etched oval. It's single-sided, but you know, if you know how to engrave, you might want to personalize this as well. And there's the leaf motif right there. And finally, last but not least, these are 10 grams of 4 by 3 millimeter corrugated round spacer beads, which are lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free, $2.99. So I don't think I'm going to pour them all out. You get a lot in here, 10 grams, but you can see the corrugated finish on these. Really nice, pretty. And did I say how big they are? They're 4 by 3 millimeter. So they're small spacers, and this is something else I can never have too many of, is spacer beads, especially small ones. So really pretty. And there you have it, everybody, the Boughs and Berries collection from Bargain Bead Box, the November box. And I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. Be on the lookout, because I really think I'm going to make a bracelet with these. I'm really thinking of that. So, and lots of other things. So thanks for joining me. Remember to like and subscribe and give a little comment if you'd like, and check the description below the video for all of the information about my channel and coupons and links. And I hope you all have a great day and a wonderful, wonderful holiday. It'll be here before we know it. So you all have a great day, and stay tuned for the Henry Cam. He's adorable, and we might actually find him awake. I don't know, but we'll see. Bye now. Say hi to everybody, Henry. Say hello. Say hi. Do you want to go get a treat? That got